For a few days I needed a good quality soundbox for my PC, but when I search online for purchase I see that the price is much higher than my budget. So I decided to make a soundbox under $7 which is 600 TK. Before going to the main part, let's talk about today's video sponsor. This video is sponsored by LTM Designer, which is an US based PCB design software. LTM has many functions like curve writing, flexible PCBs, etc. Start your free trial today, link given in the description. I first went to my nearest electronics market and bought this circuit for 260 TK, which is around $3. I came back to home and unboxed it. This is a very good circuit. It is a stereo sound circuit. It is made with 3 2030 IC. It has 2 output and 2 input socket. So it has very clear sound and bass. This circuit has 3 potentiometer for sound, treble and bass. This circuit run with 12 volt DC current. So I bought a 12 volt transformer with $2 which is around 170 TK in Bangladesh. We will test now to see everything is okay or not. To test the circuit, I first connect 12 volt DC current and then 2x1 cable at the input and also connected a speaker at the output. I tried playing with my mobile phone and it played currently. So I realized the circuit is okay. So now it's time to make the casing. I went to market again and bought a PVC board with around $1. I also bought 2 speakers. After returning to home, I started cutting the board according to the measurement of the circuit and speaker. I hope you watched the full video. You can make it easily within $7. Finally, I prepared it properly. Let's test its sound quality. I think it is providing a very nice sound and very nice bass. Write what you think in the comment section. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Tata. Allah Hafiz.